everyone, thank you for joining me. My name is Xing Yi and I'm a makeup artist and skincare formulator. So I'm in my balcony right now. Thank you for joining me, and I just want to do some quick makeup tips here and there on this new channel that I've created. So I thought that I should start off with how you can do an everyday makeup look for your eyes and look professional and ready for work soon. And I'm using a Tartelette palette here, and I've done a very quick everyday 5-minute looks before this, and I'm just going to start off with the eye base. I'm using a Urban Decay eye primer here. You can just use a concealer, any type of concealer, to help the eyeshadow be able to stick on well and be able to last on your eyelids longer. Oops, what's that sound? Okay, so I'm just using a base here, a white base here. Not really white, but more like a skin tone base. I'm just going to go from my roots to my highlight brow bone there, and this would be really quick and fast. That's the focus of this eye makeup tutorial. And I'm just using a medium brown shade here. This is called Wonder, and I'm not sure whether this palette is still available. I've got it in from Sephora, and I've seen the other new palettes but not this recently. Okay, so brown shade will be able to give my eyes some depth and look more receding. The lighter shade will bring out and focus the parts that I want to highlight. So as you can see now, my eyes look more deep set as before. Okay, now I'm going to use a darker shade here. So for me personally, I don't really use eye makeup that often, and really eye makeup is something very individual. Some people might use mascara every day, some people might use eyeliner every day, but for me, I'm really quite a I'm like a not really, the eyes portion does not really matter to me. And so I just focus more on the base makeup, making sure that my skin looks good before I go out the door. Okay, so as you can see now, I focus the dark shadow mainly on the outer corners of my eyes here, and also bring it down to the lower line here. So what I did is to look down and to just focus on the outer corners here, and to blend some of the remaining part on the bottom. Okay, so that's the eyeshadow base done, and to be honest, that's it for me. I just proceed to curl my lashes. From the roots to the tips. And I use a mascara. And there you have it. Done with me. with the eye makeup look for everyday purpose. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.